Now, we come back to India. We have amidst us a doctor who has gone through a very, very serious experience himself. And today he is sitting before you after having suffered a paralytic attack about which I'm sure he would like to tell you, and how Sahaj Yoga has helped him to be where he is, so much so that he is working 18 hours a day, and not for just making money, but to do Sahaj work. And he has instigated me that since 1 year I have started to follow him suit. He is doing work in Sahaj Yoga and nothing else. That doesn't mean that we have lost our knowledge of the medicine. I am referring to Dr. S.C. Nigam. I request him to say a few words.
How will it sound to you? Very nice. And the moment you know about it, you will try to give it to others immediately so that nobody suffers. My case is like this. Luckily, my old friends are sitting here. I used to enjoy my life before coming to Sahaj Yoga. I had a very good practice. All of a sudden, one morning I was shaving and I had a severe paralytic stroke in the year 1980. And I completely became invalid within 5 seconds. Evening before, I had my glass of beer and I used to enjoy everything. You can say, I'm sorry to say to Mataji, that's the fact. And all of a sudden I became invalid. Immediately I was shifted to All India Institute of Medical Sciences. I was kept there for 1.5 months. Every single investigation was carried out. And all my investigations were absolutely book picture, absolutely normal. They could not diagnose what was the reason of my stroke. And for 1.5 years, every day I would go to Medical Institute for a physiotherapy. After 1.5 years, they said, Dr. Nigam, it's your bad luck. That's all I can say. At that time, I was on crutches, strings on my shoes, and I was not able to even eat anything because my tongue was paralyzed. I couldn't speak properly. The condition was so pathetic. The truth was this. At that time, nobody wanted me to sit next to him. It's a fact. The condition was so pathetic. By this time, I had lost all my money, everything. What you say, tan man dhan from all the angles, I was a broken man, absolutely a gone case. So much so that one day I thought that now being a medical man, I knew that I'm not going to recover at all. I thought there's nothing left in my life, so better finish it. At that time, somebody told me, "Come Sahaj Yoga. Why don't you try Sahaj Yoga?" Being a medical man, to begin with, I knew that once you have a paralysis, and that too it lasted, it was with you for 1.5 years. Now you are not going to recover because the nerve cells, if they die forever. This is what we know. And if somebody has to recover from the stroke, naturally he recovers within first 6 months. Then the recovery is very, very little because all the doctors know about it. I had already gone through for 1.5 years, so I was in a very bad shape. And when somebody came to me and said, "Why don't you try Sahaj Yoga?" Believe my word, on the very first day, when I did this practice, I slept very well. On the very first day. So it actually, mentally I was not going to believe it, but it literally made a dent on me that there is something in it. It was my good luck that Srimataji came about 2 weeks after this incident, and I met her. The moment I saw her, I started weeping tears. And she said, "Don't worry, everything will be all right." At that time I had nothing. No money, no physical thing. Mentally I was absolutely gone case. I couldn't believe at that time. But believe it, since that day on, she has given me self-realization, only self-realization. The rest of the things, they are within us. We do not know about it. There's a power within us about which we do not know. She gave that, she enlightened that power, and today I'm standing before you. It's just like this thing. I've discovered something, suppose if I say I've discovered something which can cure cancer. Today I can say with authority, I've discovered something which can cure any disease. Since I'm living in Delhi and I would very much like to be with you, you just give me a telephone call, I'll come to you. You give me your patient, I'll work on that. We want to show you that this is a science which is prevailing at this time and which works without any charge. This is a living process, as the doctors have said. All that we have to tell to us that this is prevailing there. It is a good luck for us that Shri Mataji is here. Believe my words, I repeatedly say, it is a good luck. Because the science which she has told to us, to begin with, it is very difficult to believe it. We say we cure the cancer with 3 candles. Can you believe it? Only with the expense of 3 candles we cure cancer. We have cured, we have got cases, registered cases from All India Institute of Medical Sciences, from Tata Memorial, and there is a gentleman standing behind you, Mr. Arun Goel. He was to, in fact, he came to me in 1985. Come forward. He is a man here. He is an architect. His condition was that at that time he was getting 21 bottles of blood per day, per month. 21 bottles of blood per month. And he was at the verge of absolutely, I mean, nothing was left on him. He was a pale man, absolutely. Couldn't eat, couldn't shave even. Because it starts shaving and it starts bleeding, then nothing will, nothing can stop it. And today he's standing before you, he's running a full center in Dehradun. And he's working a whole, he's an architect, he's a very big architect in Dehradun. And he's working for Sahयोग. Just like that thing. Once a doctor gets it, he only wants to just give it to you. I just want to tell you one thing. The government all over the world, governments all over the world are spending billions and billions of rupees and dollars on these drugs, on alcohol and smoking. I only want to know, is there any medicine to cure these persons? No. This we all know. But still we are spending billions of rupees. Come to us. We have given a list of the centers. Come to us. We assure you, we will never ask you not to leave smoking. We will never ask you to leave drinking. Come to us. The alcohol will leave you. The cigarette will leave you. It is such a great thing. The only thing which Mataji does is, at the base of the spinal cord, there is a triangular bone, you can see there in the chart. There lies a subtle energy which is known as Kundalini. She awakens the Kundalini. The moment the Kundalini is awakened, all your physical, mental and psychological problems solved. Because it brings you into balance. This is the greatest science on present day. So my dear friends, I will only request you, don't let this time go begging. Try to utilize this time. I am here, there are many more doctors here. They are all out for it, to help you, to assist you. But please give a thought to this new dimension, new era, which is going to come before you. In all this picture which is written, a time is going to come where no doctor could be needed, no hospital could be needed. It's written by in Bhagavad Gita. Now the time has come then, that time has come. So by using very simple techniques, you can cure any type of disease. So come forward and just with open mind and open heart, listen to what Shri Mataji says before you today and try to take the best benefit out of it. Thank you very much.